Hello, today we will guide you through how to block someone in Slack. Sometimes you want to stop seeing notifications from a specific person without leaving your workspace. In many Slack workspaces, a true block option isn't available for internal teammates, but you can achieve the same peace and quiet by muting the direct message thread with that person. Muting silences notifications and badges for that conversation while keeping the history intact, and you can undo it any time. Start by opening Slack in your desktop app or web browser. In the left sidebar, head to Direct Messages and locate the conversation with the person you want to silence. If you have new activity, that DM may appear near the top with a small indicator showing recent messages. Click their name to open the message thread so you're viewing the conversation on the right. Next, move your mouse to the top of the conversation to reveal more options. Look for the View Conversation Details control. Depending on your layout, it may show as text that says View Conversation Details or as a small information icon. If you don't see it right away, try hovering near the top right of the header where options like Search or Call usually appear. Click View Conversation Details to open the Details panel for this DM on the right side of the screen. This panel is where Slack places settings and controls specific to the conversation you're in. Inside the Details panel, find the Mute option and click it to silence this direct message. Once muted, new messages in this DM won't trigger alerts or unread badge counts, letting you focus without interruptions. You'll still receive the messages, they simply won't notify you. And you can open the thread and read or respond whenever you choose. The other person isn't notified that you muted the conversation, so it's a discreet way to reduce noise. If you change your mind later, repeat the same path. Open the DM, click View Conversation Details, and select Unmute to restore notifications for that thread. Remember, muting affects only this one conversation and doesn't alter notifications for channels or other DMs. A quick recap. Open the direct message with the person, open View Conversation Details, and use Mute to stop notifications. Use Unmute to reverse it. Muting is especially helpful during deep work, high-traffic conversations, or outside your working hours. If you're experiencing unwanted contact beyond notifications, check your organization's policies or reach out to a workspace admin for additional options that fit your environment. That's it. You've effectively blocked distractions from that person by muting their DM in Slack.